show me things I ain't never seen before. The whole universe is ours to explore. Found me through the fabric of space and time. Lady, you blew my mind. Is this a dream or is this reality? Like waking up in the matrix, I'm no longer me. You have control of my body, under control. You grab hold of my soul. Had a stronghold, time holds in when I'm in. Can't see where I end or begin. Are you truly a friend? Where did I go? Where have I been? Mind blowing. Now all knowing, growing from within. Seen the light, tried to fight, I had to let go and give in. Is this right? Taking flight, my ego must come to an end. As a grin turns into hysterical laughter. What is my search? What am I after? I just have to explore. I just gotta know more. Sally, please open up the door. Sally, that girl. Oh, what a rush, as you pull and push. Got me higher than Kush. So sensitive to your every touch. Out of the body's what I feel. This has gotta be real. Flickering flames dance and amaze me. Holding on to my sanity. Am I going crazy? Got us in a remarkable trance. Tripping like LSD, girl, you got me. Walking through heaven at the same time hell. I call out and yell. Like being in a dream, no one can hear me scream. Am I breaking through all because of you? What a ride. Rest in pieces from the inside as my thoughts take form. My body is warm and sweaty. A tear falls from my eye cause I don't think I was ready. It's way too heavy. I can't stay, I gotta go. Is it love or lust? I don't know. It's getting dark. Where did the glow go? So cold to the core of my being. What in the world is this that I'm seeing? Far beyond believing. This feels like the way I'll be leaving Earth. Please wake me from this dream. It hurts. My whole life's ripping at the seams. I pray to God in the heavens around me. We now live in a world of little or no love. Hate surrounds me. Sally, I'm so still, and I'm glad that you found me. Sally. Ah!